rating credibility is critical. Not all information is equal. Not every source is trustworthy, and not every accurate piece of information comes from a reliable source. That is why intelligence practice separates evaluation into two distinct categories: source reliability and information credibility. Source reliability. Source reliability refers to the level of trust we place in the entity or individual providing the information. This evaluation is based on past reporting history, reputation, consistency, previous accuracy. For example, a source that has repeatedly provided precise and verified information would be classified as completely reliable. On the other hand, a source known for exaggeration, bias, or false reporting would be rated lower. Slide. Source reliability table. On the next slide, you will see the source reliability table. This table typically uses letter classifications and color coding. For example, A. Completely reliable B. Usually reliable C. Fairly reliable D. Not usually reliable E. Unreliable F. Reliability cannot be judged. The color coding usually follows a logical gradient. Green tones indicate higher reliability. Yellow or orange tones represent moderate reliability. Red tones indicate low reliability. Gray is often used when reliability cannot be assessed. The purpose of this classification is not to label permanently, but to provide a structured, standardized evaluation. Information credibility. Information credibility is evaluated separately. This refers to the quality and likelihood of truth of the specific piece of information, regardless of who provided it. The assessment is based on cross-referencing with other independent sources, internal consistency, supporting evidence, logical coherence. Importantly, highly credible information can come from a usually unreliable source, if it is independently verified, and reliable sources can sometimes provide incorrect information. That is why we separate the two categories. Slide. Information credibility table. On the next slide you will see the information credibility scale. This scale typically uses numbers and color coding. 1 confirmed by other independent sources, 2 probably true, 3 possibly true, 4 doubtful, 5 improbable, 6 truth, cannot be judged. Again, green represents high credibility, yellow indicates uncertainty, red reflects low credibility, gray indicates insufficient information. The combination of letter and number creates a precise intelligence rating. The NATO Intelligence Rating System. This dual classification method is known as the NATO Intelligence Rating System. It is used not only in OSINT but also by official intelligence agencies worldwide. Its strength lies in its clarity and standardization. For example, B2 means the source is usually reliable, and the information is probably true. This compact rating allows analysts and decision-makers to quickly understand both dimensions of credibility, without lengthy explanation.